Let's just go over week 16 analysis. This week could be good, could be also bad. We already had one opportunity that we almost could have catched and entered the trade, but I will show you in this market update. I know I disappeared a bit for the last few days. I didn't upload YouTube shorts and I didn't upload new market updates because I was in London from Tuesday until Sunday and I couldn't lock in really, but now I'm back and we are locking in again. I'm currently watching about 7 pairs and none of these are currently A+ setups. We still need to wait for the perfect confirmation in order to enter the trade. So I would just say we are directly hopping onto the charts and I'm showing you the pairs for this week. Alright, let's just start with Euro CHF. As you can see, last week we had this pair, or not, like 2-3 weeks ago we had this pair. We wanted to get a retest from this area of interest to sell this trade. We never got this, so now we kind of waited out the consolidation that we had last week and 2 weeks ago, and now to wait for the real push again to the downside. As you can see, last week we closed under this area of interest and under this structure point, creating a new lower low. Now we have created this daily kind of retest, pullback, whatever. And as you can see, all I wanted to get last week or this week, as you can see, I wanted to get a close under this area of interest where we have small support on the 2-hour and 4-hour. As you can see, last week we were at this point right here. Today in the night we closed under the area of interest, got a retest, and what I wanted to get is a clean engulfing candlestick around to this level, but we already got such a big push and I can't enter at this point where our risk to reward is this bad. If I have to move my take profit, it is already not a good sign. And most of the time we had a big push directly from the beginning, and now we came back really strong or got wigged out. So I'm not forcing this trade. I'm just waiting for another quick retest or opportunity to enter this trade. Other factor was on the weekly. As you can see, it is kind of not good to see for you, but we haven't even created the top wick on the weekly and on the daily, obviously. And this is very rare, so I kind of want to wait for this, for price to give me just a top wick, and that's also why I hesitated. But if we would have gotten a beautiful entry at this point, I would have entered this trade 100%. But we didn't get, and as you can see, now we are creating like this spikes and whatever. I think we are gonna create the top wick and creating a rejection candle around this area of interest in order to enter the trade. So that was the first pair, long whatever, but let's just hop onto the second pair. Second pair is Euro JPY. As you can see on the weekly, we are in an uptrend. We kind of rejected from this area a little bit. On the daily, we have some support and resistance area, or only resistance, but now we are above, so we can use it as support. And last week or 2 weeks ago, we missed the trade where we had exactly a pullback like this, beautiful pullback, slow candles. Now I'm just waiting for a market shift on the 4-hour and a retest on the 4-hour, maybe even an engulfing on the daily, but we will see what happens. But currently this pair is cooking up something really good. USD CHF, we shifted to an uptrend on the weekly, and I'm just waiting for the daily to give me a retest to this daily area of interest. Small area of interest, not the best area of interest, but it is going to work. Currently it doesn't look too good because we are having a strong pullback. Don't really like that, but we will see what happens. GBP CAD, we got stopped out at this point over there. We were completely wrong about the direction. We are again now completely in a downtrend. Now I'm waiting either for this for it to give me a pullback to this area of interest or this area of interest. But if we reject from this one, I kind of can't enter this trade because we have strong support at this area. So I kind of need to wait for something to cook up at this area. So GBP, JPY, on the weekly we are in an uptrend. This is not my favorite pair. I don't really like this pair, not at all. On the daily it looks good, but on the weekly it looks really bad. Doesn't look like we are creating the wick to the downside. Waiting for the retest, way too aggressive retest. Probably not gonna enter this trade. AUD USD, we are in an uptrend on the weekly. Daily we are in a downtrend. Waiting for a retest, and yeah. Oh no, this is this pair, sorry. I wanted to get a rejection from this area of interest, retest to sell the trade, and overnight we already had the push to the area of interest. We were kind of right about the direction, but doesn't matter. We didn't get a retest, so we missed this trade. GBP CHF, waiting for the retest of this area of interest to sell the trade. Already had some quite big push, but we will see what happens. We could still cook up some entry. So yeah, those were already all the pairs for this week, and yeah. So my biggest focus right now is improving on execution and not trying to find only perfect trades, but finding A trades or B trades or A plus trades, and not only the best of the best. I'm just trying to become more consistent, one decision at a time. So yeah, probably not the most exciting week right now, but those are the weeks that test traders the most. Still learning, still improving. This is FX Control.